Hi guys, it's Mystic Lightning, and today I'm going to be showing you my first aid kit for my urban survival bag. And as you can see, kind of see here, that it's all set out. Comes with a pamphlet, and they are numbered, and it also tells you what's in them, each and every bag. So of course this is bag 6, and this is what's in it. And here we have number 1, and focus, that shows you what's in there. And then we move on to number 2, which shows you what it has to offer. Then number 3, and of course we have number 4. Lastly, number 5. Now, I want to state that unless you are certified, it doesn't really mean much, but, oh, son of a bitch. Having a first aid kit like this in your survival bag would be a smart idea, because it will actually come in quite handy if you ever need or find yourself in a precarious situation. And it also comes with its own little pamphlet with everything you need to know. So there's that. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope to see what you guys think of it. As always, stay safe.